Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be making a really beautiful and nice floating coffee table using these empty boxes. Yes, you've heard me right. These boxes are empty. They are empty. So right about now I'm trying to get the middle point because I want to fill it up, and at the same time I do not want to go through the process of opening it since it's been kept away for a very long time and the closing is really tight. So I want to puncture in the middle, fill it from the middle, and then close it back. That's why I'm checking to make sure that I puncture it at the point that it won't affect whatever I'm going to do. So that's why I'm still trying to get the middle of the box. And okay, you can already see what is on that the label on the boxes. So I got this laying around for a very long time, and because it's really hard, it's a hard box, and I just feel like it's not something I want to throw away. And okay, so filling it now using construction foam, of course. So this foam is going to add some weight to the boxes, and then for the middle, because it's floating, I want the middle to be smaller, something a little invisible to make it float, right? So I have this smaller size of the same size of the thing I was using to trace the middle. I cut out some carton pieces, form it around that to get my box. I made sure that it was firm enough to be able to carry load that will come upon it. And then I have this my mirror reflective paper that I use to wrap it up to make it look neat. So that's what I'm doing right now. Today is perhaps your first time of coming across my channel. Please kindly consider subscribing, because I'll be bringing you nice and beautiful content, and mainly DIY, because this is what I've narrowed my channel to. But feel free to join the family because I have exciting things I'm bringing you with. I was still struggling to make sure that I got this nice, firm, and beautiful at the same time. It was a difficult process, but what doing is what doing well. So overall, this is not a very easy thing to do, but making a video of 10 or 15 minutes does not really show you how stressful it is. But trust me, this is not as easy as it looks on the camera, but it's easy if you want to do it. So I got this board, this wooden board, laying around for some times. As you can see how dirty it is, because I've used it for previous projects, and I'm just using it now to cover some parts of my boxes, mainly the one that'll be sitting on the floor, and the middle, and then the other side of it. I'm not covering every part. I think I'm covering just 3 parts of it, and the top is going to be where I have my mirror, so that will not be a problem. So I have like I said, I initially wanted silver, because I had a certain design I wanted to do, but I changed my mind to something else, and that's why you've seen the box we already painted silver. And right about now I'm just forming a design around it to have a pattern on it, a pattern that makes it nice, and it will really come out nice at the end of it all. So I have this made on the 4 sides of this box. Yes, on the 4 sides of it. It's I took out the measurement, the middle measurement, to make sure that everything aligned well, and then I have it designed like this in the middle. Here we go. So I spray painted it gold, and then I had masking tape to mark around the corner for neat finishing. Very neat finishing. This is not just an ordinary masking tape. This is kind of waterproof ribbon that I used to mask in it. And then I'll be having these mirror pieces. This is a flexible mirror, so I'll be having the pieces all around the sides to make the design pop out. And so this is the other box, and we are also going to have a design. I already mark out and tape. If you look at it, I tape all around and then I mark out for the design. And we are also going to design same pattern on this one now, and after designing we will also have to spray paint it just like the other one. So making designs with hot glue can be really interesting because it comes out really nice, even when you don't even know what you're doing. You just do things at random. You can see how beautiful it comes out with, and I was really happy with this because it was unplanned, but then it came out really unique and beautiful. So we'll be having the mirror reflective paper cover on some side of it. I'm sure you can see marking on it. I already marked out the place where I'll be fixing the middle that is going to join the two boxes together to float. And right about now I'm also trying to fix the mirror pieces to make this design pop, really pop. So there are some things I just have to do last to see how it comes out. Yeah, of course, how it comes out, and this came out really beautiful. Let me tell you, this camera is not doing just open. So I got this beautiful fabric trim to put around, and my table came out really beautiful. Let me tell you, I don't have words to tell you how beautiful this table looks, because I already have coffee table by the center. I decided to put it by the side and just put the slam on it, and this is extremely beautiful.